Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a random color generator in JavaScript. So in order for me to show you the color, I will just choose the body element and I'll display the color on the entire page. So let me just do that first. So we'll do let body equals to the document dot query selector. And I just want to select the body, entire body. So that's the first step. So we want to create a function called random color. Let's do that first. Okay, that's done. So how to generate the random colors? First, let's declare a variable let color 1 to be equal. So now, to randomize this whole process, we can use the math.random JavaScript function, and we'll multiply it by 256 because there are 256 RGB values when we use it. But this will give us with decimal numbers. In order to have a rounded full number, we have to put this expression inside a math floor function that will floor the entire function. So let's do math floor, put it in brackets. So that's done. We have to do this 2 more times, so we have 3 random generators. I'll just copy this. Let's just do this. Let color 2, so equals math dot floor, and inside we will put the math dot random function, and we will multiply it by 256. I'll just copy it and do let color 3 equals math floor, yada yada yada. So we have the most important things done here. Okay, so we want this function to return, and we want it to return the RGB value. So we use template strings, and we will type RGB, and we will open normal brackets, and we use the $sign and the curly brackets to put them in place. So we'll put the first color 1, then we'll put and then we'll put the color 2, so $sign color 2, and then $sign curly brackets color 3. So as you can see, we are selecting the entire function from here and putting into the values instead of the numbers that it's going to give us. And to actually run this function, because we have the body here selected, I'll just use the body, then access the style property, because with the style property, that's how you access the CSS. And then we want to change the background color to be equals to our function random color. And whenever I press, well, let me just save this, and on every save or every time the page is refreshed, you will get a random color. It's really simple and easy. This is an example with the RGB values. And thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day and happy coding.